In the ever-evolving landscape of home cleaning technology, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum stands out as a game-changer, seamlessly merging advanced features, convenience, and unmatched suction power. This review will delve into the distinctive aspects of the Shark AI Ultra, shedding light on why it's not just a vacuum but a smart investment for a spotless home. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Why you need the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. The Shark AI Ultra is not just a vacuum. It's a comprehensive cleaning solution that redefines convenience, intelligence, and performance. Invest in a cleaner, healthier home with a robot vacuum that goes above and beyond. Unleashing unrivaled suction power. The Shark AI Ultra boasts a suction capability that goes beyond the ordinary, tackling dirt, debris, and even stubborn pet hair with remarkable efficiency. This powerful suction is a testament to Shark's commitment to delivering a clean that exceeds expectations, making it a top contender in the competitive world of robot vacuums. Matrix Clean Navigation for precision. One standout feature is the Matrix Clean Navigation, a cutting-edge technology that ensures no spots are missed during cleaning. The robot moves in a precise matrix grid, taking multiple passes over dirt and debris, providing whole home deep cleaning coverage. This level of precision sets the Shark AI Ultra apart, leaving no room for a speck of dust to escape its grasp. Self-emptying convenience and HEPA filtration. A true game changer, the Shark AI Ultra comes equipped with a bagless, self-emptying base capable of holding up to 30 days of dirt and debris. The true HEPA filtration system captures and traps 99.97% of dust and allergens, ensuring not only a visibly cleaner home, but also a healthier living environment. Precision home mapping for intelligent navigation. Thanks to its 360-degree LiDAR vision, this robot vacuum quickly and accurately maps your home. The precision home mapping allows the Shark AI Ultra to methodically clean, detect, and avoid objects in its path, adapting seamlessly to changes in your home's layout, day or night. This level of intelligent navigation is a testament to the thoughtfulness behind Shark's design. Perfect for pet-friendly homes. For households with furry friends, the Shark AI Ultra is a dream come true. Its powerful suction, self-cleaning brush roll, and HEPA filtration system work in tandem to capture pet hair, dust, dander, and allergens with unparalleled ease. Bid farewell to pet-related messes and allergies, as this vacuum is tailored to meet the unique challenges of pet-friendly living spaces. Hands-free control and extended runtime. Enjoy the luxury of hands-free control with the Shark AI Ultra. Whether setting a cleaning schedule, initiating on-demand cleaning, or activating cleans, it's all achievable with the sound of your voice through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. With an extended runtime of up to 120 minutes and the recharge and resume feature, this robot vacuum ensures your entire home stays immaculate without interruption. Built, tested, and perfected, Shark takes pride in delivering not just a product but a promise of reliability and high-quality performance. The Shark AI Ultra undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets and exceeds the expectations of users, guaranteeing a product that stands the test of time. Upgrade your cleaning routine, embrace cutting-edge technology, and experience the future of home cleaning with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.